The Resonance in Pipes interactive calculator determines resonant frequencies, pipe lengths, and harmonics for acoustic pipe systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate resonant frequency, calculate required pipe length, calculate harmonic number, calculate wavelength, calculate with end correction, or calculate with temperature effect on sound speed. For this demo, I'm using calculate resonant frequency. Next, choose your pipe type. Both ends open or one end closed. I've selected both ends open. Enter the pipe length in meters, the harmonic number, and the speed of sound in meters per second. You can also input frequency in hertz, pipe diameter in meters, and temperature in Celsius. Here's our example. With a pipe length of 0.50 meters, harmonic number of 1, and speed of sound at 343 meters per second. Clicking Calculate gives us these results. The resonant frequency equals 343.0 Hz. The wavelength is 1,000 meter. The calculator confirms our pipe length at 0.5000 meters and harmonic number at 1. The additional information explains both ends open, resonance at n times V divided by 2L, all harmonics present. This tool streamlines acoustic pipe calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.